came back last night from, I think the last stop was Rockland Sea. Just for a walk along the beach. And A55 at 70 mile an hour, M53 at 70 mile an hour. And then from there home, I used to return 70 miles an hour, which I thought was pretty impressive.
Did someone mention the A55 then? I hate that road. I used to live in North Wales.
It's alright if it's flowing freely, but it's a bit of a bind if it's not.
You try getting to D-side at about 3 o'clock on a Friday afternoon.
No, I don't do that sort of thing because I know what it's going to be like.
Yeah.
Am I in the video?
Yes.
Oh, you're videoing.
Got to keep the 148 subscribers entertained.
Well, I get complaints if I don't do it now.
Mind you, you get complaints if you do it, don't you?
He hasn't spoke to me since the other day, which is probably a good thing.
Why, who's complaining?
Can't mention names, it's on YouTube.
Talking about the A55.
It's a face-off.
My grandfather and family used to live in Chester. He used to come called Southport. He used to supply industrial rubber in Chester. You know, on a Monday morning, he used to set up along with A55 and travel down to Blino Festiniog over the week and coming back on the Friday, selling industrial rubber.
Right.
Now that's a funny place, Bliner.
Let's appreciate that.
No. And it's been loved on the side.
Your battleship is still a little faster than my destroyer.
Not a lot though, not a lot. When you're not up too far anymore, I can't play. That is running down. See how we can.
Yeah, I couldn't just see where they trolley was.
Am I in the way again?
No, you're right.
I do apologise.
It does. It looks nice actually. I'm going to put power on that and the phone will start.
Is the canal boating refit? We've not seen that for a while.
Yes, it is.
Times the other day, getting rid of the blue stains off the deck from the water. Getting rid of the blue stains from the water. Because if you don't wipe it off, it dries and leaves the residue of the whatever it is they put in it.
I wonder what it was on that You've also figured out that that's sort of rubber word.
Stop showing off, Mr.
Who's showing off?
Mr. White there.
Right hand down a bit.
It's this Saturday, isn't it?
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Well, it's not a good forecast at the moment, is it?
It's fine. Don't give me 30%, 40%,
Very good.
it doesn't matter. It's written, there's always a 50% chance of the rain. Even when it isn't.
I can't help it. Be amusing because all through August we were having these, the world was coming to an end because there was no rain. All that stopped on the television now.
Yeah, it's
Close
this
to
time.